Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the S&P 500 futures chart. Now, as you can see in today's trading session, we're trading in the green. We've bounced back rather nicely. Pre-market we were trading in the red, but since then we've paired those losses. We now find ourselves trading at 3,924. What I really like about this chart is that we've managed to hold at the 3,900 level. 3,900 is seen as a temporary floor here, and I do anticipate a move up towards 4,000. We've been trading around that 3,950 area for some time now, and I am anticipating a move up towards 4,000. What we've seen as of recent is the value stocks. So when I say value stocks, I mean the hospitality, the financials, the travel stocks, the airlines, the cruise ships. They have been trading very strongly over the past month. You have the airlines which have rallied just under 50%. You have the banks which are currently trading up at all-time highs, the likes of JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, for example. But on the flip side, tech has sold off, and tech has a huge weightage in the S&P 500. So now I do anticipate investors to kind of start to trim their positions in the value stocks, just for the time being, for the short term, as the markets have become rather frothy and overbought. And now, investors are going to take a step back from their trading screens and look for opportunities in different departments. And I think one of the key departments is, of course, tech. Tech has been, one of the top performers over the past decade or so, and there are some fantastic opportunities. Are there still tech stocks out there which are, still in the short term considered to be overbought? Absolutely. But there's also other tech stocks out there which, are oversold. So there are fantastic opportunities out there to be bought, and I do anticipate money to flow back into tech. And of course, the likes of Apple, for example, which is one of the largest companies it is the largest company in the world, and it is the most heaviest weighted company in the S&P 500. If investors flee back into Apple, well, then that's going to have a fantastic effect on the performance of the S&P 500. If Apple was to go and trade back up towards $145 a share, that's roughly a 20% move towards the upside. Well, then that's going to drag the S&P 500 up along with it. So that's why I'm still very, very bullish on the S&P 500. I think that we've got some real big gains on the horizon here. So for that reason, I'm a buyer. No interest in selling. I think even if we did break down further from here, we'd go to the 50-day EMA, which is currently at 3,855. We would find support there, and worst comes to worst, is a fantastic amount of support down at 3,700. So you're very well supported in this market. 4,000 is the target. I think we get there very soon.